happy holidays. We're getting so close to Christmas, and I feel that, yeah, we should be able to start getting ready for all that. We just finished having Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and I'm pretty sure everybody's got some really good deals out there right now for all kind of 3D printing products, and that's really cool. All right, I know that Cyber Monday just passed and all these sales are going out. Just want to let you know that we do have our golf point balls available. We have them in different colors. Right now, you can be able to pick these up for $9.99, and you can go on our Etsy store. If not, you could also go on our Facebook Market. We're also on that. Good news, and I shared with you guys the last video that we're now working on towards getting these on Amazon. It's just a lot more to go with that than some of the other selling places, so we have to kind of take our time with that one because there's like trademarking stuff, all that fun stuff that goes with it. And so but if you want, you could pick any of these up for $10. These are great gifts, and I'm gonna you know what, I got great news too, and I know that some people don't want to hear this, but we're also going to be on the TikTok shop. So we just got approved for that, and I'm excited about that. It just means I got to make more videos though. That's the only crazy thing about it, but I mean that's the cost of starting a 3D printing business, I guess. So all right folks, as you see, we got our printers going. We got Champ down there doing some stuff. Yeah, looking really good. We just got an order for 5 Chicago Bears hype chains, and so the guy's gonna pick it up tomorrow. And and we got our first Etsy sale. So yes, thank you guys so much for those that are showing the love and support. Super excited about that, and we're doing everything that we can to be able to make this business work and put a really good product out because we believe in it. Let me just tell you something about that. If you're ever gonna do anything that maybe you thought you could never do, the first thing that I say that what you should do first is believe in what you're about to do. And I believe it. I believe that these balls right here, look at that. The GP1 practice ball. These balls right here, I believe they're the future, and I believe that people could be able to practice with these and not get hurt. You ever see those videos where people get hurt? I'll show you a video of one that somebody getting hurt and the ball comes back at them. This won't hurt you, folks. These are great practice balls. They're durable, long lasting. You can get a really long drive on it as well. The center ball is perfect for using a wedge right inside your house. You could be able to use your wedge, and then you could be able to pop that up there. And yeah, so look forward to these. Go ahead and pick one up. Perfect gift as well. Stocking stuffers. These are really good stocking stuffers, especially for those golfers out there. A good stocking stuffer. Trust me, they'll appreciate it, and they're going to want to buy more. So folks, today's episode is going to be a little different because I'm going to show you a part 1 of a project that a buddy of mine, he bought this 3D printer. It's called the VEHO 1000 Pro 20, and this thing could print up life-size stuff. Did you hear that beeping? Let me tell you what that beeping means. You know what that beeping means? That means the filament is acting goofy on me. All right, come on, come follow me. All right, excuse the mess. I gotta get down on my knees over here, and this one's acting up over here, so I gotta move some things around. He's beeping at me over here, and I know why it was beeping, because look what happens is this filament right here, it gets stuck. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna have to get this all out of my way right here. Check this out. See this? See that stuck right there? I hate when that happens. Now, if you have any comments or anything like that to help me with that, why that happens with these spools. So I go ahead, got that fixed now. I gotta hit resume. Fix the problem. Yeah, so I had to redesign these here so that I could be able to cut the time, because to print one of those, it was taking actually a long time to do it. But these are the colors that I'm working with. I'm working with inland filament. All right, so I went ahead and just fixed that quick problem there. So back to the story, what I was telling you. What I'm going to show you is some clips of the beginning parts of the product coming in, the 3D printer, which, like I said, it's large size. You could be able to print out life-size prints, which is pretty cool. And I got a quick little video of my buddy getting this, and we started putting it together, and I had asked him to record more, so hopefully he recorded more so that I could kind of show you what had happened with that. But it's a part one of a large 3D printer being put together. So look forward to that as well. All right. Okay. All right, here we are. What's up, guys? This is MLOw's 3D printing. I'm here with my boy Adrian.
What up, guys?
He just bought a brand new 3D printer. This is the first time ever that we're opening this thing up, and we're gonna record the whole process of us putting it together and doing all this crazy stuff. We got a whole crew here of guys that are gonna be actually helping out with this. So I'm pretty excited for us to be able to do this. And here, I want to just kind of show you a little bit. Check this out. Now, hold on. Now I'm gonna record it. What's up, dude?
Yeah, what's up?
All right.
A month from now, when someone drops a battery on this, and you get all Mum City.
Nobody better drop no battery on this.
Oh, you see how they are with this?
No, man, they drop a battery, they get 2 to the chest.
They're gonna be like, they better pay like 10, 15 bands, huh? Dave's telling me something. Yeah. He get another one, that's what he's gonna do it. There you go, you're good. Good?
Oh yeah, this plastic stuff, these things, that's why.
Oh, this side, excuse me, man.
So this is the base.
Yeah, I believe it is.
You want to put it on board?
Yeah, let's lay that down. Go ahead. Bro, I'm so happy you got a crew, bro.
Look at that, dog. This is sick, man.
Hey, what's the first thing you want to print with this, dude?
Man, I want a life-size Kerrigan from StarCraft 2. For my character, my kid's name, so he needs to get it.
Alright, cool. Open this thing
You
up.
want to be using, bro, or Majin Buu?
I want someone who loves it.
A Majin Buu?
Oh, set.
That's nice.
Dude, that thing is huge. Well, I mean, even though, like I said, it showed like the guy was him doing it by himself, but
Nah,
and how he was doing it, dude, he was doing it so fast.
Yeah,
You've never done 3D printing before. This is your first 3D printer. You get a large one. The first one, most people, you know what they usually do? They get a small one, bro. They get a little tiny one, bro, and then you get a large one. Larger than all of us here.
I was like, I'll experiment with the big one. The biggest one they got.
Dude, look at the bed that's gonna be on that. That's gonna be crazy. Guys, just thank you again so much for watching. Thank you for the love and support. Every time you click on and I see that people are watching, it really does encourage the soul. And I thank you so much. and happy holidays. I'm gonna make another video probably before Christmas for sure. And I kind of want to show you a little bit about my other situation that I'm in, where I have another 3D printer in our the office at the tattoo shop, and I want to show you some displays that I have and how I've been taking pictures and all that other stuff back over there. So, folks, again, thank you so much for watching, and much love, much appreciation. And if you can, click on that button, subscribe, leave a comment, please. If you see anything that you'd like me to print or any fun stuff that you're saying, you know what, I'd like you to try that, come on, share this with me. Leave some comments down below. Love to hear from you. I will respond. Super fun. All right, my folks. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Bye now. Bye.